Hello guys, today's topic is all about how to identify the direction of Nifty 50. If you are able to understand the start of the direction and the end of the direction in Nifty 50s, then it increases the chances of winning the trade by 50 to 60%. That is the strength of Nifty 50's direction. The remaining factors depends on how well the stock to break out and how well the fundamentals are supporting. To understand the direction of the Nifty 50, there are two methods that I'm currently using. One is universal method, which is 50-day moving average, and other one is my own method, which I have observed for last 3 years, which is also giving very accurate results compared to 50-day moving average. So most of the times I take confirmation from both the methods and then I decide if the trend is reversed or still continuing. To start with universal method, to understand the direction of the trend in daily time frame, the Nifty 50 which is already in daily time frame, to understand the direction of the trend in daily time frame, then we just need to switch to hourly time frame and apply 50-day moving average. So whichever the side the candles are forming in hourly time frame, then that side the direction of the Nifty 50 is moving in daily time frame. Currently the time frame is in hourly time frame, but it tells very clearly that the direction of the trend in daily time frame is uptrend from here to here. Then after it took breakout of this 50-day moving average and started moving downside. So from here it is downside in daily time frame, and from here it is uptrend in daily time frame. That's how we understand the universal method, which is 50-day moving average. 50-day moving average is very powerful in technical analysis of the stock market. So to understand the current direction of the trend in hourly time frame, I just switch over to 15 minutes time frame and then I apply 50-day moving average. So as per 50-day moving average, the direction of the trend in hourly time frame is uptrend from here to here, and then here sometime it is downtrend, and then from here to here it is uptrend in hourly time frame. So this method is applicable only for Nifty 50. We should not apply this method to identify the direction of the stock. To move on to the second method to identify the Nifty 50 direction, which is my own method, I apply the breakout of the highest of last 5 candles for uptrend and the lowest of last 5 candles as the downtrend direction. In this method, we don't need to switch over to lower time frames. We can stay into the same time frame, but I always look at highest of the last 5 candles for uptrend and lowest of last 5 candles for downtrend. Let's look at an example. If you observe this small candle, and this candle is the current candle which is forming, for example 23rd December is today date and today the market is running, then let's consider that this candle is still forming, which is still running. Then until unless this candle breaks the highest of last 5 candles, like 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, so the highest of last 5 candles which is this one. So until the highest of this height is broken, then the direction won't change. So the direction is still downtrend. Then next day I will still wait for the next candle to form and to run. Then I'll just look for the last 5 candles of its present candle, which is 24th December is the present candle, and then I'll still look at 1 2 3 4 5. So the highest of last 5 candles is this. So this candle is not at broken this highest. Then I look at this candle, and this candle is the latest candle, which is current today candle, which is currently forming today. I look at highest of last 5 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So among all these 5 candles, this is the highest value. The highest value is this. So if you zoom over, you'll understand very clearly. So still it is downtrend. And then next day, 28th December. Then I look for last 5 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the highest of last 5 candle is this still. And it has broken very clearly. The present candle, which is 28th December, which has broken the last 5 candles, highest of the last 5 candles. So if this candle, the trend has reversed to uptrend, then this is the starting point of Nifty 50 in daily time frame, which has taken the reversal from downtrend to uptrend. Then I'll keep looking at each and every candle until any candle breaks the lowest of last 5 candles. If you observe this candle, this could not break the lowest of last 5 candles. So you can see this. So lowest of last 5 candle is this. And when you compare this candle, when this candle is forming, then I'll look at lowest of last 5 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The lowest of last 5 candle is this. So the lowest of last 5 candle is this. It has broken that lowest value very clearly. Then it has taken the reversal in daily time frame. Of course, this is a little bit confusing, and also it also difficult to understand unless you start observing. This is very easy to understand once you start observing and once you start adapting to it. Instead of switching over to lower time frame and looking for direction, we can easily identify the direction of the trend in the same time frame. But to get the confirmation, it is better to have the confirmation from both the methods. If both the methods are giving uptrend, then go for uptrend. And if both the methods are giving downtrend, then consider it as a downtrend. Then based on that, you can start trading in stocks. If my trading time frame in stocks is daily time frame, then I look for the direction of the trend of Nifty 50 as per daily time frame. In case if my trading time frame is hourly time frame in stocks, then I look for the Nifty 50 direction as per hourly time frame. That's how I get the strength of the Nifty 50 before I start entering into the stocks. So it is always recommended to look at the Nifty 50's direction before entering into the stocks. And it is also recommended to enter into the stocks exactly when Nifty 50 is taking reversal from one direction to another direction. If Nifty 50 is taking the reversal from downtrend to uptrend, then go for uptrend in stocks. If the Nifty 50 is taking uptrend to down direction, then go for downtrend in stocks. Let's look at the direction of the Nifty 50 as per daily time frame and hourly time frame as on 25th January. Let's apply 50-day moving average. And to understand the direction of the daily time frame, then we have to switch over to hourly time frame, then look at the direction. So still it is downtrend. Then to understand the direction of the hourly time frame, then we have to switch over to 50 minutes time frame, then look at 50-day moving average. So it has already reversed as per hourly time frame. This is where I have entered into Maruti stock and then gained some profits. In the next video, I will talk about the basic fundamentals of the stock. After that, I'll make a combined video of these three topics, which are main components of short-term investment strategy, which is going to be the final video of short-term investment strategy or trading. Okay guys, happy trading.